Hannah has a treat.
That was interesting.
There we go. Hi, Jackson.
Good girl.
Oh, yeah, we go. You're going to let them steal it from you. Hi, Jackson. Oh, look, Jackson's fine.
Oh, you're so excited. Go panting.
You can go hang out
Got
with
herself so excited.
Hi, baby.
He likes the treat lady.
He does. He's doing good for his first time. I know. Monty, you've just been begging.
Don't give him any if he jumps up though. I want him to play with the puppies.
Good girl, Suki. The baby.
Oh.
Girl does.
Good girl. Good. Good girl, Sky. Thank you.
What is that little guy there? Is that the one that my dog is?
This one right
Yeah.
here? This is a German Shepherd. This one's Noel.
He's a purebred?
Mm-hmm.
Great color. I haven't seen so much black in a puppy. Are they usually that black?
They will change colors completely.
That's what I thought,
Yep.
yeah.
My guy was all black, and now he's more brown.
More fawn.
This is so fun.
That's okay. He's fine. He needs to get used to puppies and people. Yep.
Oh, Monty's kissing him.
Good. That was very good. You're like, I just want the treats now. Good girl, Miss Sky.
I'm not sure there's.
Miss Sky is food motivated. It's a puppy party.
We always tell her.
Well,
Actually, should not jump like that.
These are very high drive treats for you.
I guess they are.
Yeah, they are.
Camping out.
Girl Sky. Good girl.
What are you doing?
No, Baldur, no. No.
You're going to start humping her.
No.
Oh, there's Gracie. That's how they play.
That's very cute.
She's tired. She's ready for her nap, thank goodness. That's so funny. She says, what are you guys doing? This looks like so much fun. Get up.
Are you just laying on your back for all these puppies?
Mine just left his litter mates less than a week ago, just a few days ago, so. And he was the biggest puppy in the litter, so he may be a little dominant with some of them. But he's pretty good. You like that little Scotty, don't you? Yeah, you used to play with that little dog there. That little dog's tough.
She could care less. She has no fear. I hope she stays that way.
I shave her pony.
Go! Go puppies, go! Go puppies, go! Go puppies, go!
There's Monty over here. There's Monty. There's Monty. Monty. There's Monty.
Go play with the puppies.
And now they're getting their puppy zoomies out.
There's Monty.
Get her shaved when she was spayed, so.
You doing good over there, Miss Sky? Yeah, there we go.
This is my third one.
He wants to get in on that action. Baldur, gentle, Baldur, Baldur, Baldur. She'll show him.
She'll be okay.
See, this is where they learned how to back off.
Oh, you're sorry. Yeah. That's okay. Good girl. There we go. Good girl. There we go.
Beautiful dog, Brian. Beautiful dog.
Yes. You're very pretty. Hi, Monty.
She says, I just use the ones for treats. Dusty, come out and play with the puppies. Come play with the puppies. You're okay.
He's okay.
Yep, they're very vocal. That's just gonna get worse and worse.
Good girl, baby.
Hi.
Put it together.
Come play with the
Because they're both
puppies.
gonna be a little
Trying to
bit
get in on
stronger.
that action over there.
That one is
Oh, gosh.
Come play with the puppies.
And it's only something.
Oh, there's a puppy for you to play with. Hey, there's a puppy for you.
Guard the chair. Don't come in there. Guard the chair. Don't come in there.
Baldur, gentle, 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 gentle.
That's okay.
Baldur,
You're
gentle.
okay, Dusty. You're okay, baby.
He wants her to play.
See, that's what you
too
do to
big.
the cat.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So now you know how
Oh, good girl. You tell him, Dusty. You tell him you're a dog, too.
Say hi, puppies. You gonna get out of that
Say
chair?
hi.
They like that chair.
Guys, hang on to the chair.
Oh, Dusty.
Oh, geez, he ran right over.
All right, so it's actually a little bit past 12:30, so our
Yeah.
small guys are up.
Okay, baby.
Come here, Jackson. Come here. Come here, buddy.
Well, what's his name, baby?
All right, we have a nice.
Not jump like that at
These are very high drive treats.
I guess they are.
Yeah, they are.
Camping out.
Girl Scout, good girl.
What are you doing?
No, Baldur, no. No, 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 no.
You're gonna start humping.
No.
Oh, there's Gracie. That's how they play.
That's very cute.
She's tired. She's ready for her nap. Thank goodness. That's so funny. She says, "What are you guys doing?" This looks like so much fun. Get up.
Are you just laying on your back for all these puppies?
Mine just left his litter mates less than a week ago, just a few days ago, so. And he was the biggest puppy in the litter, so
Yeah.
he may be a little dominant with some of them. But he's pretty good. You like that little Scotty, don't you? Yeah, I used to play with that little dog there. That little dog's tough.
Sweet too.
She could care less. She has no fear. I hope she stays that way.
I shave her belly.
Go! Go, puppies, go! Go, puppies, go! Go, puppies, go!
There's Monty over here. There's Monty. Where's Monty?
Go play with the puppies.
And now they're getting their puppy zoomies out.
Monty.
get her shaved when she was spayed, so.
You doing good over there, Miss Sky? Yeah, there we go.
This is my third one. They believe that it's better for
He wants to get in on that action. Baldur, gentle, gentle, Baldur, Baldur, Baldur. She'll show him.
No.
See, this is where they learned how to back off.
Oh, you're sorry. Yeah. That's okay. Good girl. There we go. Good girl. There we go.
Beautiful dog, Brian. Beautiful dog. Look at him.
You're very pretty. Hi, Monty.
Says I just use the ones for treats. Dusty, come out and play with the puppies. Come play with the puppies. You're okay.
He's okay.
You're
Yep,
okay.
they're very vocal. That's gonna just gonna get worse and worse.
Good girl, baby.
All right.
Put it together.
Come play with the puppies.
Trying to get in on that action over there.
And it's only something.
Oh, there's a puppy for you to play with. Hey, there's a puppy for you.
Guard the chair. Don't come in there. Guard the chair. Don't come in there.
Baldur, gentle, 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 gentle.
That's okay.
Baldur,
You're
gentle.
okay, Dusty. You're okay, baby.
He wants her to play.
See, that's what you
too
do to
big.
the cat.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So now you know how.
Oh, good girl. You tell him, Dusty. You show him you're a dog too.
Say hi, puppies. You gonna get out of that chair?
Hi.
They like that chair.
Nice high up in the chair.
Oh, Dusty.
Oh, geez, he ran right over.
All right, so it's actually a little bit past 12:30, so our
Yeah.
small guys are up.
Okay, baby.
Come here, Jackson. Come here. Come here, buddy.
All right, we have a nice